All right, I'm just going to walk you through what I've done here. We had this empty barn that you could see in these other pictures. And we're having a big group of people over Sunday. And I wanted to make it really comfortable for everybody. So this is what we're doing. Uh-oh. Did he take my extension cord? No, that one's plugged in. Okay. Got the piano set up. Here will be a drink station. This door is going to be open to the outside. And as you can see through the windows, we're going to have a fire pit going and some tables and chairs outside so people can enjoy themselves. And then in here, we've got a couple casual couches and this really great table that Tom just whipped up this afternoon with some shiplap over our bases for our beds. And over here, I put some old antique pictures of my family up there because that was looking really bare and really sad. I did have blankets over it, but then it looked like a sad wall, so I decided to treat it like a wall and give it a little life, give it some pictures of people. Here we've got this bin set up for ice, and the drinks will go in there, and also more drinks here. So downstairs will be all the drinks, and maybe on the tables a few snack foods for people to just munch on. I'm gonna put some candy and the little pumpkins. But the majority of the food will be upstairs. I put rugs around the whole bottom just to absorb some of the sound because we're gonna have a lot of musicians here. So I thought it would be good to absorb some. Also, the wood is really great for sound. That door will be open too. And then chairs for the musicians, some extra seating, cords to run amps, and again, I put some more pictures up on the wall just to give it that homey feel. And I'm thinking it looks really good. So let's go upstairs. Rugs all over the place. It'll be fun with these doors open. We'll have a nice breeze. It's supposed to be a beautiful day. And up here, I've got some of my art on the wall. And then this is my art table. I threw some clean tablecloths over it, closed up the curtains, and now it's a perfect place for food. So I can plug some of the food in over there. I'm gonna have some chili and then a bunch of snacks. We'll see what people bring. I think it'll be really cool.